Digital marketing services are available to local small businesses. Small businesses form the backbone of any community. They are vital to local economies, providing goods and services that keep people employed and money circulating. In today's digital world, however, many small businesses find it difficult to keep up with the big players. The good news is that there are digital marketing services we offer that can level the playing field. Content marketing services. Digital marketing is an essential piece of any small business's marketing strategy. But with so many different services available, it can be difficult to know where to start. Here, we've compiled a list of some of the most effective digital marketing services we offer to local small businesses. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. If you want your website to be visible to potential customers when they search for keywords related to your business, then you need to invest in SEO. An experienced SEO specialist can help you choose the right keywords and optimize your website so that it appears as high as possible in search engine results pages, SERPs. 2. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. PPC is a type of online advertising in which businesses pay a fee every time someone clicks on one of their ads. PPC can be an effective way to drive traffic to your website and generate leads, but it's important to work with an experienced PPC specialist so that you don't waste money on ineffective ads. 3. Social media marketing, SMM. Social media is a powerful tool for connecting with potential and current customers. A good social media. Video marketing services. There are many digital marketing services available to local small businesses, but one that is often overlooked is video marketing. Video marketing can be a great way to reach new customers and promote your business. Here are some tips on how to get started with video marketing. 1. Decide what type of videos you want to make. There are many different types of videos you can make, such as product demonstrations, customer testimonials, or educational videos. Figure out what would work best for your business and start there. 2. Invest in good equipment. You don't need to have the latest and greatest camera to make a good video, but you do need something that will produce clear and professional-looking results. 3. Plan your video content in advance. This will help you stay on track and ensure that your videos are focused and informative. 4. Promote your videos through social media and email marketing. These are two great ways to reach potential customers and get them interested in your videos. 5. Use video analytics to track your success. Be sure to keep an eye on your video views, likes, and shares so you can see what's working and what isn't. Directory submission services. There are many digital marketing services available to local small businesses, but one that is often overlooked is directory submission. Directory submission can be a great way to get your business name and website out there, and it can also help you to improve your search engine rankings. There are a few things to keep in mind when submitting your business to directories, however, so be sure to read up on the best practices before getting started. YouTube channel management services. As a small business owner, you may be looking for ways to improve your online presence and reach a wider audience. One way to do this is by creating and managing a YouTube channel. There are many digital marketing services available that can help you create and manage your YouTube channel. These services can help you produce high-quality content, optimize your videos for search engines, and track your channel's performance. By investing in YouTube channel management services, you can ensure that your channel is successful and reaches your target audience. These services can help you save time and money, while also helping you grow your business. Email marketing services. Email marketing is one of the most effective digital marketing services available to small businesses. It allows you to reach a large number of potential customers with minimal effort and expense. Email marketing can be used to promote sales, special offers, and new products or services. It can also be used to cultivate relationships with existing customers and encourage customer loyalty. There are a number of email marketing service providers that offer a wide range of features and options. Some of the most popular email marketing service providers include MailChimp, Constant Contact, and Aweber. These companies offer free as well as paid plans, so you can choose the option that best fits your needs. When selecting an email marketing service provider, be sure to consider your budget, the features you need, and the level of customer support you require. Also, be sure to read reviews of different email marketing service providers before making your decision. Related article: Madison Website Design and Marketing, GBN Web Design. Utilizing our services can save you tons of time, money, and stress. Get in touch with GBN Web Development if you have any inquiries or require assistance at a reasonable price.